me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Parry, St. Mary with that. Sure.
Yeah, yellow parry. I would never miss a breakfast to breakfast in a parry. So I don't know for the rent that.
Them ask you, them say where you there, where you live. If you're in at the old house, tell them. Me can't tell them.
No, me live in I'm house no parry. See that?
You so see it. Everything, me
so
tell them say
separate.
everything now. Yeah, we keep on a break, but you live in a house. So them want to find out what happen if you run away, if them thief your house or something. So tell them.
No parry, me out here seeing parry.
Alright, everything correct.
Yeah,
So
everything.
we are gonna start. We are roast some breadfruit pie. But me want to show you something. I thought all of you were all me have to go look something for them slug here. When I remember, I can't remember which video. I remember when we planted these two noni tree. Look here, Parry. See tree here beer. Just the other day we carried them, but you see the slug them. Lad, see all the heart leaf, you know. I kill them all, I want to kill it off, you know, you know, see all the heart leaf here, then depend. We have to go find look something. But me never know them would take the but the other one up there, so them not trouble it, you know, shoe. Okay, so Parry, we are roast some breadfruit. We are roast breadfruit, we can't back at 6. Don't come off in that here, it's me and the family today. We and the family, kids them and dad, and we are shoe there. But it look like, say, we feel the rain here. You feel the shoe? Yeah, so we are going to roast some breadfruit, right, a bush mouth, yeah. I down in a Bow backyard with there, you know. Yeah, man, Bow backyard, nice. So, yeah, so we're there. And everything, curry. Next clip. It's a one nice brush and really got nice thing for me this, you know. Anyone a bee sting for me, just I'll take a knife and mark around the bee sting. Aye, me hand. We're going to roast out them, yeah. Mr. Shoe. See, it's a brush, Parry. And jelly. We want them jelly for cut. We have to take care, but I see back in the kitchen up here. We have to throw the jelly water and carry it down. So I run a Bow backyard with there. Yeah. You see them, I no roast breadfruit and turn down it up. I just roast my breadfruit and turn it down from the bottom first. From the bottom first. You can put some at top in. I'll see that with them there.
I know what they are doing.
If any, I will let them we are roast. My market we are going now.
You can't hold all one time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you put some at top. Turns to know about breadfruit. That's the turns don't come from good. Turns are
You
from
know what I'm
Eh?
You can't stop them with that. They can't spread with the family.
Yes, man, we want to put them in a freezer and eat them. Hey, Tama come in now.
Just shift around your
Sure.
position.
There's something going up our bush. You look on the arrowroot. Your parents are telling me that arrowroot, I want some. When you say arrowroot up there, not turmeric.
Yeah, man.
And not turmeric, man, arrowroot. You know arrowroot?
Yeah. I can't be one.
A turmeric that?
Yeah.
A tambric, then first time people say tambric.
Yeah,
So, but parents say young.
No, you know.
The young. From the joint one time, I see the
Sure.
part down about white.
Sure, you know arrowroot?
Alright, me go up there and go draw one from
Me I go up there, man. You not fit to grab me. I go up there. Me can't go up there.
I go up there and stick on the bush up.
Yeah, up the bush up, sure. Me will go up there, man.
My man.
No man, we big cup one them with the whole heap of water there. We have to forget jelly, we'll chop it and carry it.
Oh, him have to go look them there.
I don't know if none on that tree there.
Not well about jelly.
No, we have some big cup jelly up there, so we have two of them with a fully jelly back with one at you.
Or maybe my man sitting there with them.
Him no must my you drop off Terence and keep careful with Bow machete neck eye. Bow machete sharp enough. I'll Bow should watch out me machete. We are record Gerard. But all them here me want go as up on the 18. Fish at him, hey, Terence, you know, so I quote them, eat down them here. And Bow should here replant them.
Yeah.
Cover, put there. Watch on the side, on the side of Bow house, Parry.
I told.
So I side that house, this, you know. Yeah, we have it for render. See, why what me bedroom with that take fresh air, yeah. Could there. What me bedroom with that to God be the glory, I take fresh air. Yeah, and see right alongside the house right there, so pure banana. Run here so nice though, me not tell no lie. Cool and nice, a lie? This now you can see so it recently cut, you see it? It a go send up sucker. It's when this beer and when it ready, you see him cut off the navel feel full. The navel, see all of them if you look, see them there? He take off the navel off of them so them full faster. Them come fit faster. So it's when he cut this chunk finish now. This not have no use again, more if it just mulch the root. So younger suckers, see there? And more young suckers will keep coming. That's how banana and planting operate. Yeah man. Ask you when he come. I want to go and feed right, that's some snake them the panny. Me never see coconut tree so Terence with so much rotten leaf. It want dig off. Cause the heart of it is okay and it have young bunches. Something wrong, man. We want to go clean off the wild pine then. Ah boy. I tell you, turn cold girl Debbie. Yeah. Yee donkey. Brusha they want turn parry. Tell them say me a country girl and I forgot my roots, you know. The him can't manage the fire, yeah. Uncle Murphy could manage it neither if he did die. But you have to know what you have to do to turn up them brush here, you know. And bush, you put some wood pan here. You know they are like a blaze. I go turn them, man. See them there? You see it? A country girl. That's how me know about them or something here, you know. Now, you know, see me there in the kitchen cooking a pretty pot and all that thing. This a girl know them in life here. Yeah, so me born and grow. Where you do down a gully there, Dad? You must continue the edging and come out right next door. So today is a family day. We are here, but get a big one your turn. Hey, one there?
Is that the
no,
one?
this one. This the big one. Yeah, it one turn.
That's
but you have
the
to move that first, Charlie. Move along. Yeah. This mistake, it too shorty. Bun me on here. That's a life where we are black man pick me.
That's one of the beast things.
Yeah, I biggest
it
one.
already
So far.
something there.
Yeah. Just turn it over to the top. Turn it over to the top. Move them there. And then you turn it over. Move that one there. You have to move that little one there. Look at that little bun while ago. Using some serious who them using. That's cover. You know. Then come a little bit like marble, you know. Turn it pan. No man. Hold on. You want to go down pan the something there, man. Pan the top. Good sir. This is a piece that I want this drop in. If this drop come over and a pure fire it come over again. Take time, Gerardo. You know, if I don't want them to, just take time to push them back over. Alright. Yeah, take out that. We want to take out the big one from down this one now. Take time, push him over. Take time and make them big up. Give me. Move them and we are going for them to bottom one. They take them out of fire. I bet you want some corn pork in the terrains and some salt mackerel run down. And if me can't get him, I not seeing look no dry coat. He must see none. Many roll got gully boy. Here.
Then come back, me ask you.
Want some salt mackerel run down with the brush here, man.
My man pick up already.
Yes, man. Them two that we want now. Out of fire. Just easy. Yeah. Put them over back over this one. Good, sir. And that big one there. Take out that big one, or you can't manage it. I take it out if you can. And you have fire upon him, you know. So you see, now parry, the whole heap of blaze in there underneath this, so we take up most of the heavy wood them, so the smoke this, you know. Yeah, underneath this, so we are going. You know, if you can find a few more gully, you know, because second crop are coming down, the last one, them. First crop you bear off and then die. I see me find two more. Massive breadfruit roast in here today. And we know. You see your countryman come from show them a straight countryman that you know. Yeah. So countryman at them bow show a long time bless somebody with this you know. Plant pan he made. You know man. I want him put on back in something because I see him take off in window. I don't know why he take off in window. Them already, man. Them already, Jerry. We want some water from up a yard, Nigel. Throw upon them. So, Paris, we are home. And look here. We never get to finish the vlog I sent me because the rain start fall. It not start fall, it thunder and something and we never did want to catch her on the road. So, if that get cocoa, you have to make soup. That love cocoa. You know cocoa smelly. So, I get young banana. This is where you use make tea. I'm going to make young banana tea for you. Yeah, look out for that video. And so my breadfruit, then I roast breadfruit. So the cream of the crop of my supplier. Lime. Yeah, I have plantain here. Dry coconut. Look out for the good old Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. That I asked for that from where there. I have some jelly ground. I take one extra breadfruit that when I arrive. With a roast, I may have one here so if I go cook. I have jelly. Yeah, I may have ripe banana. So this is my thank God for country. Thank God if I should go down and market, you know how much it would cost me. So thanks for watching, thanks for the love, thanks for the support. You see me showing about you now look at earlier clip. Yeah man, I just run go, never plan. Well me did plan, but me not talk my plan. Run go look for him and make sure I say, you know, have a look at something in pocket that he can jump on. Because you know say I have to do that for him and so. And when I put them thing there on camera, we just do them thing there. So thanks for watching, thanks for everything. And just look out for videos and lives and everything. But most of all, I want if you look out for it. Let me forget the sauce up you. Look out for the green banana tea. Alright? Coming up.